Hi there, this is our Colchester Master 6.5, one of the older Colchesters with the rounder headstock, 3-phase. This one's done a fair bit of work, but someone will have a use for it. It's got a coolant pump there. There it is running. You'll see through your pictures pretty much it. You've got a couple of face plates and a 4-jaw and some steadies and some mounting feet there. Missing the panel off from the back of the motor. The only thing I noticed was your engagement here for your feeds is a bit sloppy in there, but someone will be able to pay a bit of attention to that. Obviously it's got a little bit of bed wear and knocks and bruises around. Anyway, so that's the carriage. It's got a little bit of play there, and the cross slide, a little bit of play, not too bad. Compound slide, bit of play there as well. Lock's working on that, and that's going in and out alright on that tailstock, and that lock's working as well, and doesn't feel too bad on the inside of that taper. I'll start it up. So that's forward, reverse, forward. You can hear a bit of belt ticking noise there. Those feeds are running. That's reverse and forward on those feeds. Metric and imperial lever there. And your gear speed range there. And that's all going in and out nicely. And then you've got your wheel adjustment here, and that's working as well. I'll engage that lead screw, so that's coming towards me now, and that's engaging in and out nicely. So I've engaged the feed now for the carriage that way. And now engage that cross slide which is coming out towards you. But this mechanism is a bit loose there. Oh well, those are the feeds. I'll disengage them and go through the speed range. So I've got it in the low ratio there, and that'll be 54, 138, 288, 696. I'll put that through to the high range. 96, 228. 504, and last one, which will be 1200. So that's the speed range there. So it's an older machine, it's done plenty of work, but there it goes.